In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Instacart coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Instacart coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Today. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with up to $20 discount of all orders, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says your code. And right now we'll have to wait a little bit for the voucher code to load up right here. Okay, so right now all you need to do is just tap on this pop-up window. And this is the promo code. You can copy this one and use it in order to get a discount. Also, we have right here this website which is called Simply Codes. And right here, as you can see, there is a list with other promo codes that we can use. So let's say, for example, if you want to get this $10 discount right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get code. And right here, this is the promo code. You can simply copy this one from the button right here. And you can use this promo code so that you can get a $10 discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.